Friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to open Wise account online. So first of all, install this application from the Play Store or App Store. Open the application. Now the interface will be look like this. Now here we need to swipe right until we find the last option. You can see here login, register or sign in with Google. So we have to click on register. Now here you need to enter your email address. So enter your email address here and then click on the next icon. Link for verification already reached on your email. So we have to click on open email to approve. So click on this icon. So I received this email from the Wise. We just need to click on confirm this email address so we can verify it. So now they are asking what kind of account would you like to open? Personal account or business account? It's completely your choice. So now they are asking where do you live most of the times? So you need to select your country from here. After selecting your country, now you need to click on continue. So now we need to scroll down our screen little bit. You can read most of the features. So in the bottom you will find the next option. So we have to click on next icon. They are asking to verify your mobile number with a verification code. So enter your mobile number here to register it. After that click on send code. We have just sent you an SMS. So enter the 6-digit security code which is received on your registered mobile number. After that click on done icon. So now friends, we just need to create a password for our Wise account. So after creating your password, click on the done icon. So now they are asking turn on your security notifications. I will recommend you to click on the turn on notifications. We need your permissions to see if you browse other apps where we run ads. It's completely your choice. If you want, then you can click on the continue. If you don't want, then you can click on the cancel icon. And friends, two-step verification features has been arrived on this application so we can use it. So now we have to click on continue. So now they are asking some questions. What would you like to do now? Send money to abroad, order a card, get local account details and many things are available here. So I'm going to click on decide later. Savings my details, wait for a while. Now friends, you can see here green tick and all done. We still need to do many things in this application. So now we have to click on done icon. So this is the home interface of Wise application and in the bottom you will find the cards option. So now we have to click on the cards icon. We still have to complete our identity verification to use this account. Go global, pay local and many things are here. So now we have to click on order your card. Wait for a while. Get a debit card and you can see the features and you can read it. Now I'm going to click on order your card. You can also scroll down your screen and read all the features. I already read it. Now I am going to click on order your card. Get your card and many options are available here. So now we have to click on the continue icon. Now first of all they are asking for your address. First you need to select your country. Address line 1, address line 2 and 3 is optional. Enter your city name and postcode. Now click on continue. So after providing your address, now they will ask you how your name should be appears on your card. You can select from this available options and after that you have to click on the continue. Now they will ask you to set a 4-digit PIN for your card. So after entering the PIN, click on the choose your PIN. Now you need to repeat your PIN again for the confirmation and after that we have to click on repeat your 4-digit PIN. What is the purpose for using Wise app? You can select it from here. So you need to choose an option, paying for the goods and services, receiving salary in different currency and many options are available. You can select it. After selecting one option, now we have to click on the continue icon. So now they are going to ask you some few questions. Now we have to click on the continue. So now you need to select your annual turnover on the Wise app. You have to click on select an option and you can select your yearly volume or turnover. After that, you have to click on the continue. Still if you are facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Now you need to verify your identity. You need to select your document. From which document you want to verify your identity, you have to select from here. You can use your passport, your driving license, national ID card and other documents. Upload a proof of your identity. First you need to select the ID issuing country. From which country your ID has been issued, you have to select from here. And after that you need to select your document type here. Now we need to click on the continue. Now here you need to upload the front side of your documents. And here you need to upload your back side of your document. A polite request, please hit the like button and if you're facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. So first of all I am going to select the front side of documents. Now they will ask you how you want to take the photos, from the camera, from the gallery or you want to upload a file. It's completely your choice. You have to select any options. So I am going to take live photos from the camera. So after uploading your documents, now you need to upload a photo of yourself holding your ID cards like this. Don't do this type of mistakes. This is the right way and this is the wrong way, so you have to follow only right way. So read all the instructions carefully and now click on the continue. So now you need to upload a proof of residential address. To verify your residential address, you can use your bank statement, utility bill or a phone bill. It cannot be cropped or blurry. So after following the instructions, upload your file from here to verify your address and then click on the continue. So now you need to confirm your order. This is your Wise card, one-time fee, you have to pay for it. And this is the debit card and now we have to click on add card. You need to select your payment options. You want to pay from your debit card, credit card or bank account. It's completely your choice. You can select any of the options. Enter the card number, expiry date and CVV code. Now click on the pay icon. We are processing your payments. Congratulations, you have done all the work successfully without any problem. So still if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching this video.